Now let's begin customizing our website. We'll begin by changing out some text. To edit text, just click directly on the text you want to change. You can then highlight the text here, and then you can type and change out the text to say whatever you want it to. You can also edit the text here on the left-hand side, and if you click into Style, you have some options for how the text is going to look. You can also edit buttons in the same way. Let's click on this button here. Then on the left, we can change what the button is going to say. We'll highlight the text, and I'll make it say, click here. You can also change where the button will link to after a website visitor clicks on it. Let's say after somebody clicks on this button, I want them to be brought to my contact page. I can do that by highlighting the field here and typing in contact. My contact page will appear here, and I'll click on it to select it. Changing out images is also super simple. Let's scroll down to a section on our website that includes some images, and we have one right here. To change the image, let's click on it. We'll highlight the image, click on Choose Image. Here you'll have the option to upload an image from your device. You can click on Media Library at the top. This will open all of the images that exist on your website currently, or you can click on Search Images. And here you'll have access to a stock image library. For example, I can type in nature. I like this image here, so I'll click on Insert. And there we go, that image has now been updated on the page. We can also add in new containers and elements to our pages very easily. To add in a new container, let's scroll up and we'll find this pink pop-up here. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. That's going to add in a new container. You can click on the plus icon again, and here you'll be able to choose what layout you want. I'll go ahead and select the grid. I'll choose my structure. Now let's add in a new element. Go to the top left and click on this plus icon. And here we can see all of the different elements that we can add. We can add in text, an image, or a video, for example. I'll go ahead and drag in some text and drop it here. And later on, if you decide you don't want this container, you can easily delete it by clicking on the X icon.